Yo, what's up boys? DecadeCS are back with a new video on Ranger G. In today's video we have 500 coins in the balance. Also, we're going to be doing charisma battles only, so hopefully it can pay off for us today. So yeah, if you guys want to support me on Ranger GG, go to the top, go to deposit, click referrals, and then type in DecadeCS, all caps, and apply for 7 days. Helps me a lot to make these videos. Also, you'll be entered in my leaderboard for 400 coins. It'll be up on Rain probably tomorrow, hopefully. And it runs every 2 weeks, so you guys have a chance of making some extra money. Also, I stream on Kick every day, so you'll be able to get some promo codes there and free battles. Also, my Discord will be linked in the description, and you'll be able to get some free coins in there as well if you check out the bounty hunt. So yeah, we're gonna do some charisma battles. I'm doing charisma mode, like 50 coins basically. Let's see something different.
Bring those bots, pull, man.
I'm still waiting to see a fucking Desert Hydro in this case.
Dude, that'd be fucking dope.
Okay, it's 30, I think. 35. Nothing. Okay, we just need them to pull. Come on. Nothing, bro. We win, but it's like 20 each or something.
It's barely any profit, yeah.
I take some money at least. Come on, Melly. Fucking lovely man.
Bro had the video filters on.
Melly's case is working out. Just be the fucking deagle. Okay, top item, 95. No. Oh no, bro, this guy.
What the hell?
This guy in the third has to pull.
30 gems.
Oh my god.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
I'm winning right now. I'm winning right now. Wait, hold up. This will be massive. God, it's worst item. It's worst item.
Come on.
Yeah! Come on, man. Come on.
We win, yeah?
Yeah. 230. Let's go, Melly. Let's go.
Amazing call.
We're up by 2 coins.
Ooh, what the hell?
2. Holy fuck. Wait, this could be crazy. Just be a fucking shit on our side and gold their side.
This is only the 5%, yeah?
Oh. We both pull the same item.
Damn.
We're winning though. You fucking stinky bitch.
Oh.
This could fuck us. Yeah, we already lost.
Damn.
What the fuck, bro? Let's see. Come on, boys. Let's fucking win this kid. Shouldn't win this kid?
This could be massive, you know?
Yes. I mean, we're losing, I think. Yeah. Oh,
That's the first case.
Yeah.
Refundable.
Oh, you stinky bitch. Arctic new case. Yeah, we lost.
Oops.
I think we
Oopsies.
lose. I don't know what's in this case. Speed purple. Okay, nice. How much? Still 70, what the fuck? Deep ocean. Okay, we're cooked, gonna.
No.
They have to pull like 200 or something. Call me crazy. I am crazy, but I want to fucking see a massive winner.
Imagine 12-way crazy.
You say 12-way crazy?
Yep.
They should add that for real.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good, bro.
Ooh.
This could be massive. 0.1, please.
Logan Paul.
What the Sigma? You stinky bitch, that could have been 500.
Oh.
Yeah, 500 for that shit.
Still going strong.
Give us the shit at swag. We had a good one. Fucking. Good on.
Yes.
0.5 for a fucking 2k, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, 2k. Worst item, are you serious?
Oh.
It's a 0.5 for 2k.
Damn.
What the fuck?
Nice.
0.2 for. Go to our best right now. Go to our best.
Come on.
600.
600?
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's go! Let's fucking go,
Damn.
boys. That's a fucking cash out and a half. 800 coins. Holy. We're 1.1. Should we end it there or do
1k
one more battle?
balance. How many minutes? Maybe play like 300 more,
20.
then keep rest.
Alright, boys. Last part of the video. 5 wasted wagers. Show them a fucking 0.5 tiger tooth and I'll literally start shaking it on cam. Come on, boys.
Damn.
Okay.
Damn.
0.5 right now, come on. $1k? It's 1k.
Yes, let's go.
Come on, chill.
Let's go.
Please.
Oh,
Please, come on.
no. What?
I'm so done, boys. I'm so done. I'm so done, boys.
What the hell is that?
Alright, boys. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, like and subscribe, drop a comment. This has actually been the worst. What the fuck? I was hunting it and oh my god, I'm so done. Alright, boys, I'm gonna end the video there. If you guys enjoyed, just do whatever I said last time. Okay, use my code DecadeCS here. There for 7 days. I'll put leaderboard on screen for you guys one more time. This has been a fucking mad video. Fucking 2k. Like, oh, I've been hunting that. We literally said go for 0.5. We hit it. Alright, boys. See you guys next one. Peace.